Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to become an affiliate on Amazon. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to become an affiliate on Amazon using the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log into your account using your account credentials. If you do not have an account, you just need to create one, and steps are pretty easy. Now, once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom of the Amazon homepage, which we're definitely going to do right now. And you're going to see a couple of categories: get to know us, make money with us, Amazon premium product, let us help you. So head over to the make money with us category and click on become an affiliate. And that is going to take you right into the affiliate page, the Amazon affiliate page, which we are waiting for. So on this affiliate page, all you need to do is to click on sign up to sign up. Now I have this banner that says the email number you're using is not connected to an associate account. So if the account was previously connected, please check your email inbox as the account may have been closed. All right, so go ahead and click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, you should now follow through with the step-by-step processes to become an associate. So first off, sign up, then recommend and earn. That's how it works, right? So let us see what is going to be displayed after clicking on sign up, and all the step-by-step processes you need to take, all the instructions that you need to follow, and the form that you need to fill to become an associate. So while this is loading up, I'd like you to know that Amazon is partly down at the moment because a lot of people are currently on Amazon. So it's taking a lot of time for their sites to actually open up. But I'm going to show you what you're going to see once this has loaded up. Now, once you have logged in to your Amazon account or you've signed in, you're going to be presented a form. So fill out the required information in the application form, including your account information, that's name, address, etc., and the website or mobile apps where you will promote Amazon products, and the topics of your site and how you plan to drive traffic. Those are the necessary information that will be required from you. Then specify how you plan to generate traffic to your link in that form, either using social media, blogs, email, or newsletter. Then indicate how you will use Amazon links, which could include product reviews or banners. Now, review Amazon's operating agreement and guidelines and check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on finish to submit your application. Amazon will now review your application and you will receive an email notification regarding your approval status. Approval can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Once approved, log into your Amazon associate account. You have access to your dashboard where you can find tools, resources, and links to promote Amazon products. Use the product links tools to search for items to promote. Click on get link next to the product you want to promote and customize the link option as needed. Copy the generated affiliate link and use it in your content. Now share your affiliate links on your website, social media, and other platforms. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track clicks and earnings. Ensure you comply with Amazon's affiliate policies, including disclosing that your links are affiliate links. You need to make at least 3 qualifying sales within 180 days of joining to maintain your account. And that's it. You are now on your way to become an affiliate. An Amazon affiliate specifically. So your account information, like I said, and then it's going to take you to the next step, which is the website and mobile app links. It's going to take you to the next step, which is profile. It's going to take you to the last step, which is start using Associate Center. Just go ahead and follow the prompts and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.